everybody, come on in. This is Caldera Creative Creations. I make wreaths for holidays and some home decor. Today I am making a beautiful fall wreath. We are working with a variety of shimmery pumpkins. We are also working with a variety of colored leaves. We got some little pumpkins. We also got a sunflower, yellow colors. We also got some greenery, a lot of greenery, which I purchased at Joann's. And we got my wreath. I made a simple ribbon. I am working with some of this material, which I found. And I am putting it on this wired ribbon. Just taking it like this. I already got some of it done, so how beautiful is that, everybody? Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to take it and just work ourselves around this wreath with this beauty. Put it together, and see, it needs to be the wire kind of close so you know it stays on. I'll get this. Thank you guys all for coming to my channel. I very much appreciate it and hope everybody is doing well and happy. It's all we need in this world is happiness, you know. Yes, especially the holidays are coming. Ooh, festival. And on the bottoms, leave a long tail. Just leave a long tail at the bottom. I do not know what you call this, but it is so beautiful. Okay, and there we go. Everybody see how I got it? And the little tail. Okay, now we'll just separate some of them, but keep them close so the wiring keeps up the beautiful shimmy shimmy. I call it shimmy shimmy. So beautiful though. Okay, let's get going. Okay, first thing we're gonna put this beauty up in here. Get him. Bam. This is gonna be my last fall wreath this year. Yes, indeed, we are slowly gonna get started on the Christmas. I still didn't go shopping yet. I'm gonna be looking in some of my stuff from last year, but when I do go shopping, you know, I will let you guys see some of my findings, okay? That'll be within the weeks. Okay, we got a leaf there. We got our pumpkins. We are going to get another yellow leaf. Yellow's coming over here and just slightly pin it in. Okay, now we are going to get some of the greeneries. Let's start working with some of these greeneries, okay? Let's just, you know, step back and visualize and see what you're working with. Let's push some of this stuff in. You know, the white that we ain't using. Okay, and let's just get wild with these greeneries. I'm still deciding on my Christmas tree. I think it's gonna be turquoise, gold, and silver. I might put that pink in there somehow, but it has to be dark. But we are going to try. I tried to do that last year, and I didn't go with it. But I see some pretty ideas with that color. So it's going to be a shimmery, beautiful one. I've seen some ideas from some great artists on YouTube, so I'm going to use some of their ideas, and hopefully we will get a beauty just like theirs. Let's just insert some of these other items. So another pumpkin here. Uh-oh. I'll just step back and visualize, and this is your wreath now. Take your time and just enjoy creating this beautiful wreath, okay? There we go. Let's put another one of these right there. And I think we're going to work on this side. Let's get a pumpkin right here. And some more. I think we're going to get little leaves right here. And a flower. Let's balance it out. Now you're going to have this balanced out. So I think we're going to get that right there. Maybe. Uh-oh. Do a little switcheroo and put the pumpkin here. Kind of move these down so you don't see them all. And get this yellow going right here. But yes, fall is just beginning, but we're going to be getting on their winters. I just love, you know what I'm going to do, everybody? I am just going to pin this up for everyone. I got some of this, some little white little flowers, tinies, and I will just insert those there. I have more. I wish I took them out. But we're making it with this. Okay, so let's just, here. Get this right here. How's that? You know what? I think I'm going to pin this beauty up so everybody could just see how beautiful it is. Okay. Uh-oh. Don't mess my pumpkin. There. Okay. There we go. Let me fix my camera for you all. And voila. Look at. Look how beautiful it is. All the different things on them. Wow. They're kind of leaning down. Let me fix them first. Woo. And you know, like while you're doing them, you could, I put this wire in there. You could glue them. You know, if you really want them to stay. I'm just recycling mine, put mine back up. How was that? Taking that back up. My last one for the year, and oh, this is gonna be the finale. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Something different, you know. Okay, let's get there. There. Okay, here's some more of these. A lot of colors going on here. Oh, wait. There. Get some more down here. Let me step back and visualize, everyone. Woo, how gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. I think this got to be pulled in a little. Oh, it's not on there right. Okay. Let me check this out again, everyone. There we go. Beautiful. Let's get some greenery right here going also. I think we got it right there, huh? Okay, you know what? I am going to change this with one of these guys. Okay, see how these leaves are different? I think we're just going to put it with these. See how the colors are, the leaves are different? Okay, now, woo. Open up the ribbon. Gorgeous, I like these colors. Uh-oh, you know what I think we're going to need? The handy dandy ribbon twister. Woo! I see this. Here we go. Just want to you got your here we go. Bam. There we go. How's that, everybody? Let me. Where's my scissors? Let's get this little fancy cut. I wish some of the ribbons would just come with them. Today I was at Joann's. They were giving a lot of free spring stuff away. I mean, you know, a lot of nice stuff. And I just grabbed some of these spring wreaths that I'm going to use. There's one, a grapevine, and another one with the kind of other material. And I just do not know why this pumpkin don't want to stay in there. There. Okay, then look at this, everybody. Okay, and I think we... What is going on with your pumpkin hair? There we go, and whoo, one more thing, everybody. I made this simple ribbon to attach the piece of caboodle stick. And we are just gonna pin that in right here. And there it is, everybody. I hope you enjoyed my fall videos. How was that, everybody? And that's it. I think we got it. I'm going to take it off here. Woo! I hope you enjoyed my fall videos this year. Until next year with the fall videos, have a fun, festive, warm, happy fall. That came out so gorgeous. Look at that, everybody. The shimmeries and the light, how the long tail. Just so beautiful. And thanks for the subscribers, the new ones, and everyone. Thank you, fans. Once again, see ya and thank you. Until next ones will be Christmas.